Former Additional Director General ADG of Border Security Force, PK Mishra, has suggested for the removal of a specific paramilitary force from Manipur in order to resolve the ongoing conflict in the state. In candid TV interview with News 9, the former BSF ADG set light on the shifting dynamics and critical issues contributing to the ongoing conflict in Manipur. Without naming the paramilitary force, PK Mishra said removal of one specific paramilitary force from Manipur could be a solution for the crisis, while also alleging of links with Kuki militants. He asserted that the paramilitary force, which is there for last so many years, has to go from there and hand over the role to other paramilitary forces. Speaking about Jiribam district, PK Mishra said Jiribam district is tragically important for Manipur as it is one of the biggest lifelines for the state. PK Mishra highlighted that the situation has worsened due to the influx of people from Myanmar who have settled in various villages within Jiribam. This has led to formation of a significant group, further bolstering the strength of the Kukis in the hill areas with arms allegedly provided by Myanmar and supported by forces within Manipur. In the interview, PK Mishra was also critical about current administration in Manipur, attributing the escalation of violence to a failure of command and control and law and order. He also maintained that there is a lack of coordination among various security forces in Manipur.
The center has been shifted from Churachandpur, Vishnupur to Jiribam because Jiribam is the lifeline, one of the biggest lifeline for Manipur. And Kukis in hill areas, they are very strong with arms given to them by Myanmar and also supported by few forces also from here. And it is very difficult if we don't intervene, particularly with the double engine government in Manipur. Why it is failing? I am telling you, it is a failure of command and control and law and order in Manipur particularly. Things are very bad. The coordination of operation being done by army and the paramilitary forces and Jammu Kashmir police. It's not there in Manipur. Assam Rifle goes in different way, Manipur police goes in different way, CRPF goes in different way. There are some BSF battalions also, they go in different way. So the combination, coordination of operation is still not there.
Okay.
And the operation is being hampered because of this. And I can tell you, it involves shifting of I repeat very strongly, shifting of one paramilitary, one force from Manipur completely. Definitely it will come to an end. Hand over to any other paramilitary force. But one force has to go from there, which is there for last so many years, and they have the link to Kuki militants. That force has to be shifted.
Sir, I would